Step 2, layers. Layers in Photoshop help you manage your workspace. This area in the middle where your art's going to be is considered your workspace. Right now you can see I'm on the paint bucket. I'm going to go up here to my move tool because it makes life a little easier. The layers are found down here in the right by default. If you don't have the layers, go up to Window, and then you can turn your layers on. Mine were on, so they just went off. So again, Window, scroll down to Layers. You've got your Layers panel. Layers are like multiple sheets of paper laying on top of each other with different qualities. One of the qualities is transparent, and we need that for our project. In the Layers panel, I have trash can to trash a layer and to create a new layer. So I'm going to create a new layer. It tells me what my background and my layer 1. I can create many layers as I want, and I can trash those layers. I can also grab it and drag it to the trash, which is my favorite. So this background layer, I don't need that. So I'm going to click on it and trash it. Now if I add layers and I have art on the layers are in order. Whatever layer is on the top is the layer on the top. And then the next layer and the next. That's going to come into play here in a minute when we start to orientate our layers. Alright, now that we talked about layers, let's select layer 1, get rid of it. Layer 2 and get rid of it. So I just have one layer. Let's call it layer 3, which is fine. Let's put some art on that layer. I'm going to go click on my text tool, the T. And then up top it tells me what the font is, what the size is, 150 point. And then over here in this white box, it's actually the color box. I want my color to be green. Hit OK. Click on my art, and I'm going to type in my word. And then I need art, but I want it in a different space. So instead of hitting enter, I'm going to click back up here to my arrow, get off of that piece of the word, go back to my text tool, click under my R because I want my A to line up right there, and type in art. Ah, they're over the top of each other, and I don't want that. If I go to the move tool, crisscross, scroll down over that A, I can rearrange it so it's in the place I want. Alright, for your project, type your name. It can be 2 words, it can be 1, or whatever you like.